So this trip, I got to the end of the trip and realised I'd lost all the audio off one of the GoPros. So yeah, just trekking down to Donnelly River for the night. Got the tinny at the back here, and yeah, we're just going to catch up with the Anguses down there. They're going to meet us down near the river mouth. Just going to spend the night, do a little bit of fishing, just check out the place and have a bit of an explore. It's supposed to be windy over the next couple of days, but the night time's supposed to be pretty good.
When the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw.
It's a little bit of a trek down river. You can just putt down there. It takes probably about an hour of just cruising, but there's a few camping spots up close to the river mouth.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a rage. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to
I rocked up a little bit early and virtually picked the windiest spot I could find, not knowing that there was a secret little camping spot about 500 metres back upriver.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no.
So yeah, lucky Angus rocked up when he did and told me about the secret spot, and we have relocated, and now we're set up in a good spot. But the wind's supposed to die down tonight, and we'll do a little bit of fishing off the bank here and see if we can catch some dinner. Hopefully we can get a couple of Black Bream is on the menu. Black Bream. Needs to be a little bit bigger. Good. Same one again. That's a better one. Nice. Might be dinner. I'll measure it, he'll be close. Well, he's in. 28. Get another one of them and it'll be dinner. Nice, it's on. Big time.
Sort of jig it in or
Nah, just leave it there, they just take off with it.
sort of wet, bud? It's the waiting game.
Good if you got like sand whiting and stuff in here too, eh? I got a huge one.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
Yeah, so just a short trip, packing up this morning, heading back up river and just going to putt up there, have a cuppa. Yeah, it's a great little spot. Pretty keen to get back down here, bring Kel down, and we might do a bit of a salmon fishing mission when the salmon are running down this way. But yeah, just a spot I've always wanted to check out, and it was a good opportunity to get down here and camp with the Anguses and check it all out, and we'll definitely be back. But yeah, just head back to the boat ramp, set up the trailer, load the boat on, and head back to Burracup, and then a little bit more diving possibly, maybe, and then we head out to the farm to farm sit out in the wheat belt for the next few weeks and get this GoPro audio fixed.